Andrew here with the Andrew Mouse Project. So we have a chicken that's smoking right now, and I really just don't want to stay home and wait for it to get smoked. So we're gonna go for a walk to the Chippewa Nature Center. It's a local nature center with trails and all that stuff, like old-timey barns and stuff like that. So come on in and join us when we go for our little nature walk. All right, let's go see how the chicken is doing. Got nice smoke going on. Should be fine out here while we leave. I put a little bit more wood in there and should be fine. And you just go around that. Yeah. Oh, we could have went that way. Coulda, shoulda, coulda.
Really? I literally told you to do that. You're like,
See, we got a little bit lost. Well, it was my fault. But I found the trail and it looks really nice. Hey, Marilyn, are you having fun today? Okay. It's a nice day. Was it 75 today? What I call it, Ferris Bueller weather. Yeah. Some still true at a Cubs game. I think we found it. Was it like an old timey thing?
1800s.
Yeah. How the old timers lived.
Little house on the prairie.
Oh, little house on a prairie. The puddles. All right. Oh, they do got animals. They're eating.
A little mangy. Like I feel like a mohawk for fish.
So,
Apple.
like old tomatoes. I got a butt shot. Guy's got a mohawk.
A little bit of a mange. Got an apple.
Have an apple there? Oh, I sound like Will Grace. Have an apple there, buddy?
Up no good.
You up to no good? Oh, he likes that. Hey, buddy. Nice beard. Are you Amish?
Let's leave.
If you want to read this, just pause on the screen. Can't really see in there.
Yeah, you can.
Can you stay over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Go around the back. Oh, there I am. Wave. This is where the kitchen was at. So it'd come in here, probably get fire. Yep, there's the wood over there. There's where the wood would come from. Quit being Ian. Oh. Oh, point out the outhouse. Got the garden over here. Pretty nice. Let's see if Marilyn can guess what plant it is. Plant it is. What's this one over here?
Onion.
Is it onion?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like a parsley of some kind. Of one kind. All we've seen was 2 sheep so far. Hope there's any animals up there. Maybe. Oh, another garden. It's mainly just garden stuff. So this must be where the heirloom vegetables are at. Really nice out here though. Oh, Marilyn found these pigs in here, 2 of them, just enjoying the shade. What are you guys doing? You guys need a bath. Come on out. Come on. No? You stinky boys, you need a bath, pig pen. Are you sleeping now? Are you sleeping? Tell me the truth, are you sleeping?
Sleeping.
Tired? You had a long day?
Yeah. Alright, let's leave them.
Oh, what's he doing? Oh, he just told you off. Got some corn back there. Was these marigolds up front, which I'm allergic to. They're growing kids. Got some corn stalks back there. We found these guys. One in the corner lazy, and he's standing up, chilling like a villain.
I think he's getting ready to go up for auction or something.
Auction.
That number on him.
That number. I think he's at, I don't know. He's just maybe just stud, maybe. I don't know. I'm not a farmer. Okay.
He's got something on his ankle.
You on parole?
It's just his ankle.
Oh, he's got an ankle bracelet on. So what's going on?
It's like the Blair Witch Project. He's just standing in the corner.
Oh, there's a yellow bird over there. There's things in there. Over that way. Straight ahead.
Oh, it's chicken.
Oh. That Dawn's not here.
What's up, kids?
You guys are quiet. You guys got to fight later? What are you hens up to? Hey, you guys aren't cute. I'd rather have you be an original recipe.
Why is there a pigeon? Is that a pigeon?
He's visiting.
Is that a pigeon? What chicken I've ever seen.
Leave in the comments if you know what kind of bird this is. Oh wait, it says I'm up there.
Where?
Yeah. Yeah, you can go down that way, but I'm not. Gotta be nuts to go down that way. I don't know. Thought I heard something. So we're back home. We've been sitting out here for a couple hours. I mean, I don't know, an hour. Got the corn on the smoker with chicken. Chicken's about done. Not gonna show any of that. Everyone's seen smoked chicken before. It was a fun day at the Nature Center. Got to see some barnyard animals, pigs, sheep, cows. Hey Marilyn, did you have fun today?
That's alright. It was fun. Animals stink.
Yeah, Marilyn doesn't like the pigs. She likes the pigs, but she was talking to them. You know, they look like little stinky boys, you know. They were rolling in the mud. Well, not in mud, it was just dirt. But man, it makes you think though when you eat like ribs or something like that, or pork loin or whatever. Oh, actually, or bacon. How actually dirty pigs are. But then I'm probably going to have someone argue with me like that's a farmer say, oh, pigs are the cleanest animals there is. So we'll wait and see. Make sure you check out my podcast on Spotify, the Andrew Miles Podcast, or, of course, on here, YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe, share my videos. There's been a lot of shares out there. Thank you. And the Andrew Miles Project on YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. All right. See y'all later. Everyone have a good rest of your weekend. Bye.